first we need to get an app that allows us to transfer files from the old phone to our new one. And for example, we can open the Play Store and we can search for an app that is called Send Anywhere. This is an app that allows you to easily transfer files between smartphones, and we need to install it on both devices. So whether you had iPhone or any Android, you should be able to get the app from either the App Store or the Play Store. Now, once we have it, I'm gonna open it on the new phone. On the old one, I have already installed this app. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So first we need to agree to terms and service and privacy policy, press continue. We need to grant access to pretty much every file so that of course we can send it and receive it as well. We can also allow to receive notifications. We don't have to agree for new updates. And then we also have the information about Wi-Fi Direct. Alright, so once we have these screens prepared, on the old phone we want to select what we want to transfer, right? So first we can go, for example, to photos, and we can select everything that we want to transfer. So let's say I'm going to select these photos. You can go through videos, audio, apps, contacts, and so on and so forth. So even if you transfer from Android to Android, most likely you can also transfer apps as well, which is quite convenient. And then we can also go to files in order to pick something specific. So I'm gonna just stick with photos, but keep in mind that you can transfer multiple different things and you can select everything that you wish to get to transfer. And once you are ready, we want to press send over here at the bottom. And now you should see the QR code and the code with digit numbers, the 6-digit key, and that we need to enter on our Nothing phone. So we want to select receive, and then we can either use this code over here, or you can press this QR code icon in order to scan the QR code if you don't want to enter the code. I'm gonna actually use the code over here. And of course, this is a free app, so we will see some ads in the meantime. But this is how it looks like. So after entering the code, we should be able to immediately start transferring these files. And there we go. Once it is done, you will probably see an ad. But essentially everything that you selected has been transferred, and that is pretty much it. Of course, you can try to use any other app that you wish to use. You don't really have to use the same as I did. This is just an example that I think works just fine. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.